Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your AdMob earnings in Google AdMob dashboard. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your AdMob earnings, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google AdMob website. Log in with your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the AdMob dashboard. Look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Reports in this menu. You will now see various report options. Select the earnings report for detailed insights. Choose the desired date range at the top right corner. Review the summary of your earnings displayed on the screen. For more specific details, scroll down to view performance by app. Click on the app name to see earnings specific to that app. Explore metrics such as impressions, clicks, and fill rates. If needed, you can also download the reports for offline use. Look for the download icon, usually located at the upper right corner. Select your preferred file format and click Download. This allows you to check your earnings anytime, even without internet access. You can return to the dashboard to monitor ongoing performance regularly. Ensure you check this regularly to track your income effectively. With these steps, you can easily verify your AdMob earnings. Now you are equipped to manage your AdMob revenue efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.